back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be showing you guys what I got on my Boxycharm this month. I'm pretty excited about it because I love getting new palettes. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. You guys can see. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to take out everything so you guys can see one by one. The first thing that I got was this Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Okay, so this I've never tried before. I haven't heard of the brand. I'm not a big like mask person. If anything, I do masks, but I do like Glam Glow or like the mask that you just put over your face, and I've been using the Tarte products right now, so I haven't really tried any masks, but I am excited to try this. Let's get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Vegan and cruelty-free. So I know more people are starting to be more conscious about the vegan kind of cruelty-free thing. So I think this is awesome for you guys if you guys are conscious about it. I will let you guys know if I like it or not. I haven't tried it yet. And then the next thing that I got was this Touch and Soul Glassy pretty filter. It's kind of glossy, so I haven't heard of this again. I've been out of the game for a while, so I have no idea. But this is what the packaging looks like. I think it's really cute. Let's open it up, and it's just like a little, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a creamy kind of consistency. It says an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. So the only thing about this, I mean, I'll give it a try and I'll see, but I have really oily skin, so I really don't like to put anything that's considered like glossy, that's supposed to give you like a dewy kind of finish, because I'm oily already, so I don't need any extra oil on my face or any kind of like things making me look shiny. I don't like the look. I like being pretty matte. Primers are really like iffy for me. Some of them will make me super oily, so I usually try to use mattifying primers. So I don't know, I might not even try it, to be honest, because I don't want to like use it when I could just give it away. So on my next video I will be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I might throw this in there just because I don't want to waste it. Next we have this iconic London lip gloss, and it's in the shade Nearly Nude. So I hate lip glosses. I've never liked lip glosses. I hate the feel of them. I don't like the look. So I mean, it looks like a really pretty color, but I already know I'm not gonna like it, so I'm gonna swatch it for you guys just so you guys can see it. But again, it's just something that I might do, that I might add to my giveaway. I'll show you guys what it looks like here. So again, it's a pretty color. I don't like lip glosses. Plumping glosses are ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. Yeah, even if it's not sticky, I still don't like it. So it's a pretty color. Let me know if you guys want me to put these in the giveaway. I already have some stuff that I got for the giveaway, but I can throw those in there because I don't like wasting stuff, and I already know those two products are just not gonna be like for me. Okay, so next thing, guys, the Luna by Luna eyeliner, and it's like this like sky blue color, kind of. I don't know how else to describe it. It's kind of like a sky blue color. So it's a highly pigmented and easy glide pencil eyeliner, are perfect to create a full lash line or a playful color look that lasts all day. Luna eye pencils are available in two gorgeous shades, baby blue and charcoal black. 24-hour wear ensures that after just one application, your look will stay set all day. So this I'm excited about because I have, as soon as I saw it, I was like, this reminds me of like this shirt that I have that I'll show you guys in the giveaway video, because it's from my sister's boutique. So, and like as soon as I saw it, I was like, this goes with it. But I will try it on for you guys today with the palette that I got, which I'm gonna show you next. The palette that we got, it is the Baked Browns Dose of Colors, and it has pretty browns. I have a lot of browns. I just do. Like, I have a lot of palettes because browns are like, everybody likes brown colors. They go with everything. So I feel like I have a lot of browns. And honestly, I would throw this in the giveaway as well, just because I know I have a lot of browns. But I'm gonna use it to show you guys what it looks like on. So I don't want to like give it away since I'm using it. I don't want to give you guys something used, you know what I mean? But this is what the palette looks like. It's really cute. It has the colors in the back. Doesn't distract. There you go. So those are the shades. And it does come with a little brush that I'll go ahead and use just to try it out. But they look like really pretty browns. As you guys can see, there's like this is like the tea light color, which is this really like white kind of, it's matte. I don't know if you guys can see it there. And then it has this deserted brown, which is like it's not a reddish brown. It's more like, as you guys can see, it's more like a caramel brown. And then the outdoorsy here, it's just a darker brown. And I can tell you guys right now, they're very, very like easy to work with. Like, they blend, they look like they're gonna blend really easily, because as soon as I smooth them out and I put it on, it fit on really good. And then the next shade is Cherry Wood, which is this one right here. Let's see. They're kind of like, I don't know how to describe it, like really smooth. And the last one is Rock Bottom, which is this like super dark brown shade right here. So those are the 4 colors. We'll do a look with this, with the palette, and see if we like it. Okay guys, so apparently there was an error with my memory card when I was recording. So I literally was talking to myself this whole time while I was adding the shadows, and it did not record. So yeah, let me know. Let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial on this look. I literally added every shade in the palette, and I talked about it as I did it, and it did not record. We are going somewhere, so I can't record it again right now. But I don't know if you guys want to see me do like an in-depth tutorial, because I was trying to do a brown smoky eye. Let me know. Again, I used all the shades. So yeah, let me know if you want to see that, and I can definitely do a just redo it, and just because this wasn't really a tutorial, it was more to show you what the colors look like on. So if you guys want to see a tutorial on it, I can't do it. I feel really dumb that I didn't notice that I wasn't recording. So, but I'm just gonna finish since I already started it. I haven't tried this brand, so I'm pretty excited. And this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna do the bottom line. See the blue liner on there? So, I mean, it's pretty pigmented, but since it is a baby blue, like, it'll only show so much. I just pulled it all the way like this so you guys could see it, and I put it all under my lash line, and I just pulled it. I like it. It's cute. I just don't know if I would be using it a lot. And then I'm just gonna finish off with my liner, which is the one that I got in my last Boxycharm. So I just put the liner like above that the blue line. It's pretty blue. I just put it under my eyes to show you guys. I'm about to put some mascara and lip color, and then we'll be done. For the lip color, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kylie True Brown. I feel like it goes perfect with this brown look. Okay, so I'm finally done with the look. I'm so upset that it did not record at all. But like I said, guys, let me know if you want to see something like this. I'll do it better since I'm gonna just do a tutorial. So if you guys want to see it, let me know, since I'm very upset. I cannot believe I didn't notice it wasn't filming. But overall, if you guys don't mind the fallout on with eyeshadows, then I would say it's a really good shadow palette because the browns are really nice. But if you don't like fallout, I do not recommend this palette. But yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I apologize in advance for the disaster. All the products that I used will be linked on the description down below, and I will see you guys on Tuesday, maybe, I think Tuesday, with the giveaway video. So don't miss out on that, because I'm pretty excited. It'll be my first giveaway on this channel, so stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think about this box, and yeah.